Hello, let's open this LOL surprise globe. Alright, let's open it. Ta-da! Okay. Alright, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this papers came with it. Let's see which one of these cuties. Ooh, alright. Now, let's open them. Oh! Oh, wow. Look. Oh. She doesn't have hair. Alright. Okay. Let's put her there. Let's open another one. Oh, what's this? Oh, her hair. Nice. Okay, let's put this hair on her. Okay, like that. Let's fix it. It's not. It's crooked. Alright, there you go. Okie dokie. Alright, let's put her there so we can open that one. What's this? Oh, it's a hat with bow. Nice. And this one. Oh, another hat. Okay, she get 2 hats. This one. Oh, her outfit. Oh, let's put this outfit on her. Okay. Let's see. Oh, nice. Look at her. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, let's open more. See if she has more stuff in here. Oh, what's this? Oh, another piece of her hair. Nice. This one is so cool. He has a double bun. Maybe like this. Alright, this side right here. Right? Yeah. There. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look how pretty she is. Oh my. So pretty. Oh my. I like her hair. Alright, let's open more. What's this? Oh. Hair. Another piece. Next one. Oh, recipe cup. And then this one. Comb. Oh, we can comb her hair. There you go. Nice. There you go. And last one. What's this? Oh, her shoes. Her boots. It's so cute. Alright. Let's put your boots on. There we go. Okay. Alright. Nice. Wow, look at her. Let's put her over here. There you go, so she can stand. There. Oh, wow. So cute. So pretty. Turn. Ta-da! Nice. Let's put her hat on. We can't put the hat on with this one, so oops, get caught. Alright, maybe we'll put this thing, her head, and then hat on. See what she looks like with this black hat. Ooh, sassy. Nice. Alright, let's put the other hat on. The red one with a bow. OMG. Oh, wow. She is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I like her. Oh my. Well, I like this one. I like this hair with two buns. Let me fix this. Oh no. Wait. Let's. Okay. Oh. Wait, I think. Let me remove this one. I forgot I have this thing on. There you go. No wonder it will fit. No, I like that. See? Wow, how pretty. Nice. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And until next time, next unboxing. Thank you.